Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how we can use the apply method in Python. I created this Pandas data frame. Using this dictionary, columns are employee ID and job title. So these are rows, items in list. Okay, so we can go ahead and check the data frame now. Okay, this is my data frame. Now what I can do, just go ahead and create a new column called job title length. So that job title length column will contain each job title length, otherwise the letters count. For that we can use the apply method. Particularly in Pandas, that apply method is used to apply a custom function to each row or column of a data frame. This allows you to perform custom computations or transformations on your data based on specific conditions or requirements. Let's go ahead and say data and the column name as job title length. Now I will set that equals to taking this job title column of the data frame and apply. I can say using this len. So that is a function. So that function will be applied to each row. Now if we go ahead and check, we can see the job title length column will be added. So here it calculated the length of each job title. For example, data analyst contains 12 letters. Okay. As follows, when you use the apply method in Pandas with the function like len, it applies that function to each element of the series or column individually, producing a new series with the result of applied function for each element. This process of applying a function to each element of a series or column is what is known as element-wise function application. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at another example. Here, I am going to remove this and reset the data frame. I am going to create the dictionary contains names, age, salary. So these are lists. These lists will be placed as rows in the data frame. And secondly, we can say something like df is equals to pd pandas data frame. It will create the data frame using that dictionary. Okay. So we can create custom function to categorize age groups. Here we have ages 25, 30, 22, so on. We can create definition. I can say categorize underscore age. So I am going to parameterize this. It will take age. In the function, I'm going to check whether age is less than 25. If so, I'm going to return young. If the age is greater than 25, for that we can say elif and checking 25 is less than or equals to provided age to this argument, and also checking age is less than 30. So that means the mid young. I can say return mid young. Lastly, we can say else, that means age more than 30, including 30, okay? Return adult. Alright, so we created our function. Then what I can say, take in the age column of this data frame. If we check the df, we should get the data frame like this, age. So I'm going to apply the custom function to create a new column called age group. Set that equals to, take in the age column of the data frame. So this will return us a series. So we can apply the function we created earlier, categorize age. Okay, in this example, the apply method is used to apply the categorize age function to the age column of the data frame df. The categorize age function is expected to take an individual value from the age column as an argument and return a corresponding age group category. The apply method will then apply this function to each element age in the age column of the data frame, and the result will be stored in a new column called age group. We can go ahead and run this and check the data frame again. Now, this one is in mid-young range. So if we check this 30, it is in the adult range, because here the else statement is returning the adult. Okay, so this one is young. That's how it works. Further, we can use lambda expression with the apply method. Let's go ahead and see. I'm going to say df and say the salary column is equals to, I will take the salary column again and use the apply method. Let's say lambda. Then for the expression variable name, I can say x. So each value in the salary column will come into this x variable, and the operation will perform here, x multiplied by 2. So each salary value will be multiplied by 2 and return it back to the salary column value. So it will be replaced by this new value. So if we run this and check the data frame again, we should see something like 100k. Okay, that's how we can apply a lambda expression using the apply method. That's how we can apply functions to columns. Now we are going to see how we can apply functions to multiple columns. For that, I am going to create a new column in my data frame. Let's go ahead and modify my dictionary. I am going to say the new column as bonus. Bonus, passing in a list. For this one, bonus, let's say 5,000. And the next one will be 6,000. Next one also, let's say 5,000. The last one at 5,500. Okay. Let's run that, and the data frame will be created again. So what I can do here, just create a new definition called calculate total. For this, I'm going to take in row. Okay. So multiple columns can be sent to this row variable. So it can be anything. For example, something you want. So I can create the context of this, returning the sum of the salary column. We will send that, and the bonus column row taking the salary column plus row taking the bonus column. Okay, that is it. So in the next step, I can call for a new column called total. It will be created. Set that equals to df.apply. Then call for this calculate total. At this time, we will not send values in a column. Instead, we will send columns. So we have to define the axis as 1 to specify we are going to send columns. Now we can run that and check the df, the data frame, and finally we should see the total column is there. Alright, that's how we can leverage this apply method to apply various functions to a data frame in Pandas. I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.